Jai Shri Ram. Good evening everyone. This is Dipankar Tiwari and I would like to thank everyone for watching my videos. Being a kid, I was living in a small village, and when we think about pizza, I thought that this is only possible in the big cities and you have to go to Pizza Hut or Domino's to eat a pizza and you need big ovens to cook it. But when I grew up and I've been working in many restaurants, and I got to know that making pizza was never so easy. So today we are going to make a vegetarian pizza, and here I got all the ingredients for it. So here we got cheddar cheese, here we got mozzarella cheese, paneer or cottage cheese, some vegetables like onions, we got green chilies, tomato, corn, and capsicum, shimla mirch or green bell peppers. And I got here the pizza base. I'll show you the recipe of pizza base also in this video.
To make the pizza base, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, then add 3-4 spoons of curd or yogurt, then a half teaspoon of sugar, and salt according to your taste. I take like 1/4 of the teaspoon. Then add 1 tablespoon of butter, and then 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and the baking soda. You can also use yeast if you want to use yeast. I'm not using that here. Mix everything with your hand and break all the lumps. Start adding water in the small quantities as we want to make the dough very soft. Dough will be a little sticky at the end, so add some around 1 tablespoon of the butter, and it will not stick anymore when you add butter here. Now the pizza dough is ready, and we're gonna let this dough rest for some around an hour. If you leave it for 2 hours, that's also fine. And then we're gonna split in 2 portions because I'm going to make 2 pizza base here. So roll it with your hands, give a circular shape, and use a rolling base also. Sprinkle little flour on the top so that the dough does not stick on the rolling base. And using your hands, press it and give a circular shape like a flatbread. If it does not become circular, you can use a roller also to roll it, and then put it on a pan on a medium flame and partially cook this thing. And now your pizza base is ready.
So here we got this setup for our pizza. I got this pan and there is a sand inside, and I cover it with the lid. And the stand, this stand, we're gonna use it for keeping our pizza inside this. So now we're gonna sprinkle some flour on the top of this so our pizza will not stick in here. So now we have sprinkled the flour on this, and the excess one we're gonna remove it, and now it's good. And here we got our pizza base. We're gonna keep here, and I'm gonna use some tomato ketchup. If you have got marinara sauce, you can use marinara sauce also. Gonna take this spoon and do equally. And now we are adding cheddar cheese to this. Now we're gonna add tomatoes. We got green bell peppers. We got some onions. We got here some corns. And we got some jalapenos. Not to add too much, otherwise it's gonna be very spicy. I got some paneer cubes also. And now I got here mozzarella cheese at the end. Now we have got everything in here. Going to sprinkle little salt on this. If you want to make it spicy, you can add some chili flakes also. I've got some black peppers.
Now turn on the gas and leave our pan to preheat for some around 5-10 minutes.
So now we got our oven heated up here, our country-made oven, and now I'm going to place our pizza in here. There is a small opening on this lid, so I applied little flour in it, so it's gonna keep the steam inside. And just leave it for somewhere around 15 to 20 minutes. And so now we have placed our pizza in the pan, and it's not an oven, electric oven, which works really fast. This is gonna take some time, maybe around 20-30 minutes. We can see on the top when the cheese starts melting, then we're gonna remove it. So meanwhile, have fun, keep watching this.
इसका वीडियो बनाना है कैसे बना है।
See that it's almost 25 minutes and our pizza is ready. I'm gonna remove it now.
एक नंबर।
Thank you everybody. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you everyone. I hope that you know how to cook pizza at home now, and you don't need any big oven. You can do it on the stove on a simple pan. So I'll see you again with some new video. Till then, have a good day. Jai Shri Ram.
हरी मिर्ची है बहुत अच्छी।
साथ में